Vanakkam, sir, ma'am. Welcome to Casagrand Aspires. The model apartment I'm going to show you is of 1164 square foot saleable area of A208 unit. All the units at Aspires are designed based on 5 major pillars, which are lighting, ventilation, beautiful views, privacy, and vastu. Grand entrance with a good quality veneer door is designed with a decorative panel and a designer unit signage. The door is of 6.9 feet height with digital door lock offering keyless digital technology and independent unlocking features. As you see, this is a linear living, dining and balcony. The spacious living and dining is of 10 by 22 feet with an attached balcony. We've used imported vitrified 600 into 1200 mm tiles for the flooring, which are durable and offer a luxurious look to your home. Apart from this, we have used Schneider or equivalent switches and sockets for the entire model house. The balcony of 9 by 4 feet allows ample amount of ventilation and lighting into the dining and living area. As you can see, the dining is located closer to the kitchen for convenience. The 9 by 4 feet wide balcony with French sliding doors of UPVC frame with toughened glass ensuring safety. Cloth drying hanger in the balcony is provided for your added convenience. We have used 600 into 600 mm anti-skid ceramic tiles with MS handrail for your family's safety. A weatherproof socket is provided for your daily convenience. As you walk from the dining, on the right we have a closed kitchen of 7 by 11 feet with a double granite slab of 600 mm wide. A dedicated space for the washing machine and fridge makes an organized kitchen. The sink is located in the end, providing more working area in the kitchen. The kitchen will have stainless steel sink with a drain board, CP fittings which are American standard, electrical points for chimney, HOB and water purifier. Dado tiling of 2 feet height is provided to the length of the granite slab. This type of tiling is convenient for cleaning purposes. The spaciously designed bedroom is of 11 by 13 feet. The defined wardrobe location enables more walking area in the bedroom. Provision of foot lamp for nighttime visibility. The master bedroom is designed with an attached bathroom. The attached bathroom is of size 4 by 7 feet with American standard CP and sanitary fittings. Flooring will be 300 into 300 mm anti-skid ceramic tiles. This bathroom will have American standard or equivalent CP and sanitary fittings, wall-mounted western closet with cistern and health faucet, single lever concealed diverter with rain shower, counter-mounted wash basin. All the bedrooms are designed away from the living, catering internal privacy. The bedroom 2 design is located at the southwest corner as per Vastu. The size is of 10 by 10 feet with a dedicated wardrobe location. The bedroom 2 and 3 are designed with a common bathroom. The common bathroom is of size 7 by 4 feet with American standard CP and sanitary fittings, wall-mounted western closet with cistern and health faucet, single lever diverted with overhead shower, wall-hung wash basin. The flooring will be 300 into 300 mm anti-skid ceramic tiles and glazed ceramic wall tiling up to the false ceiling. The bedroom 3 is of size 11 by 10 feet, which is designed as the guest bedroom with a common bathroom and a dedicated wardrobe location. I'm sure you've got an idea about how luxurious your home is going to be.